Forever Aloe Vera Gelly benefits and uses. Let's explore the top 8 amazing benefits of Forever Aloe Vera Gelly that you can expect from. 1. Using Aloe Vera Gelly for face. Is Forever Aloe Vera Gelly good for face? Forever Aloe Gelly is suitable for any skin type. Whether you have oily, normal, dry to dehydrated skin type. These little tubes are able to relieve your skin problem. It has high aloe vera content that able to penetrates the epidermis without leaving a trace. It has a soothing and moisturizing effect. You can feel and notice the immediate effect of the hydration on your face after applying the jelly. Because your skin can immediately be absorbed. So dry and dehydrated skin feels well, softer and brighter. So, how to use Forever Aloe Vera Gelly on the face? Depends on your skin condition. Apply it thoroughly on the face every day if you have dry skin. 2. You can also do a cool mask every week using Forever Living Aloe Vera Gelly. Applying Aloe Vera Gelly for acne. The acne problem has been troubling many youngsters today. The good news is aloe vera has antibacterial properties that can help control and reduce acne-causing bacteria. And by using Aloe Vera Gelly Soothing Clear Gel Forever helps to provide more nutrients to the skin, prevent inflammation on your skin. There are many reasons acne happen to our face. The most common is due to toxin and face cleansing is not properly done. Therefore, if you are sure you've done a great job in face cleansing but still having acne problems, you might need to consider doing a full body detox using Forever Clean 9 programs. Because detoxify and purify body toxins will help to improve our skin condition. 3. For sunburn and blister, Aloe Vera Gelly Forever has the cooling effect that allows you to soothe your burning skin faster and help to recover faster. If you experience a sunburn, apply more Aloe Vera Gelly on the sunburn area 2 to 3 times a day. You will see amazing results in a few days. Also, you can apply before going under the sun as it will help to reduce or prevent sunburn. You can also consider applying aloe sunscreen to protect your skin. 4. For mild burn. Burns and mild burns happen in our daily life, not always, but it does happen. If it happens, Forever Living Aloe Vera Gelly is a big savior. Apply an extra amount of Aloe Vera Gelly on the burn area several times a day for soothing purposes. This will help to recover your skin tissue to prevent scars after full recovery. 5. For frostbite. For superficial frostbite that has been rewarmed, some people find it soothing to apply Aloe Vera Gelly or lotion to the affected area several times a day. 6. For eczema. Aloe vera has a natural antibacterial moisturizer. Using aloe vera for eczema can hydrate the skin and may reduce the risk of eczema becoming infected. If you mix it with aloe propolis cream, it will have an even better effect. Aloe vera combined with vitamins A, E, and C work to nourish and moisturize the skin, while B propolis helps rejuvenate skin for a smooth, supple look and feel. 7. For minor injury, aloe vera is well known for wound healing. Therefore, Forever Aloe Gelly is like a first aid kit in my home. You can always count on Forever Aloe Gelly if kids having minor injuring during their playtime or get burned during cooking time. It helps to staunch bleeding very fast. It also has a sterilizing effect to help wound healing faster without leaving ugly scars. 8. Using Aloe Vera Gelly for hair. Aloe vera contain more than 200+ nutrients, mineral, vitamins and amino acids. It penetrates to your scalp and provide nutrients to your hair roots. This helps you to develop healthy, shiny and strong hair root. So if you are using Forever Aloe Vera Gelly for hair growth, you will see amazing results after sometimes. How to use Forever Aloe Vera Gelly on hair. Apply on your scalp. Do some soft massage on scalp to help to absorb the nutrients. You can also use Forever Living Aloe Vera Gelly as hair gel daily. You will see amazing results. There is a lot more area Forever Living Aloe Vera Gelly uses on, such as for baby, for pets and many more. Now you should know why I say this Forever Aloe Vera Gelly is gentle, as it's like home first aid that can be used in many areas. If you liked this video, click the subscribe button and join the aloe community. Check the description below to see the link where to get your Aloe Vera Gelly.